Chef, we're out in the workshop now. It's going to get really interesting.
Absolutely.
Because in front of you is a very special machine. Very confidential. We're not going to spin the camera around, but we want you to see how this pan comes off the machine.
I can't wait. You already know I'm blown away by the pans. So seeing how they're made, it's just gonna make it even more real for me.
Yeah, that's very real. Wait till you see this. All right, let's do it. Starts with a flat sheet of steel, right? Watch this.
Yeah. Oh. Now that's not how I expected the pans made.
No.
Not at all.
No one expects it. That's why we keep it secret.